Welcome back to my channel Knowledge Chronicle.
Have you ever wondered, what was the very first genetic material on Earth? Was it DNA, the superstar we always hear about? Or was it something older, more mysterious, and even more powerful? Get ready, because what you're about to discover will blow your mind. Welcome to the fascinating concept of the RNA world, where life may have truly begun. Let's start with a simple question. Where did life begin at the molecular level? For years, scientists debated which molecule carried the first genetic code, DNA or RNA. But now, with solid evidence and groundbreaking research, the answer points clearly to RNA. But what is RNA, and why is it so special? RNA stands for Ribonucleic Acid. It's a close cousin of DNA, but with some key differences. Think of DNA as a stable long-term hard drive storing life's blueprints. RNA, on the other hand, is more like a dynamic messenger and multitasker. Structurally, RNA is usually single-stranded, made of units called nucleotides. Each nucleotide has a sugar called ribose, a phosphate group, and one of four nitrogenous bases, adenine A, uracil U, cytosine C, or guanine G. And here's the twist. RNA can do more than just store information. It can also act like an enzyme. The RNA World hypothesis proposes that RNA was the first genetic material on Earth, even before DNA and proteins. Why? Because RNA has a unique superpower. It can act both as a genetic material and as a catalyst, which means it can carry genetic information and speed up chemical reactions in early life forms. Let me give you an example. In today's cells, there's a type of RNA called ribozymes. These are RNA molecules that behave like enzymes, catalyzing essential reactions like cutting and joining other RNA strands. Proteins usually handle such jobs, but ribozymes prove RNA can do it too. Why not DNA? Why didn't life start with it? DNA is very stable and excellent at storing genetic instructions. But here's the catch. It can't do much else on its own. DNA needs proteins to function, and proteins need DNA to exist. This creates a chicken and egg problem, but RNA solves that. It can store information and perform tasks, all in one molecule. But there's a problem. RNA is unstable. Yes, RNA is amazing, but it has a weakness: instability. Its ribose sugar makes it more reactive, especially in water. That's a big problem if you want to preserve genetic information over time. So what happened next in evolution? DNA entered the scene. Scientists believe that DNA evolved from RNA by chemical modifications that made it more stable. One key change is in the sugar. DNA uses deoxyribose, which lacks an oxygen atom that ribose has, making DNA less reactive and more durable. DNA also became double-stranded, which means it has a backup copy of its information. And with the help of complementary base pairing, it can detect and repair errors, a built-in self-repair system. RNA doesn't have this advantage. So DNA took over as the primary genetic material, but only after RNA paved the way. Even today, RNA plays a central role in our cells. Messenger RNA or mRNA carries genetic code from DNA to the ribosomes. Transfer RNA or tRNA brings amino acids during protein synthesis. Ribosomal RNA or rRNA is a part of the ribosome itself, and ribozymes still catalyze key reactions. That's why many scientists believe that life on Earth began in an RNA world, a time when a single molecule could do it all. Understanding the RNA world helps us answer the biggest questions in science, like how life started and what molecules were the first spark of biology. It's a window into the earliest chapter of evolution, before cells, before proteins, before even DNA. So next time you hear about DNA, just remember, RNA was the original hero of life's story. If this journey into the RNA world fascinated you, then help us keep sharing powerful scientific stories. Your one like, share, and subscribe will help us create more valuable content.